So today I am with Professor Rachna Bhagwat. Now she is my student, but she is doing her job in VDF College as an expert mathematics teacher. And also I want to elaborate one thing. She is hardworking. She is doing well, and also she is a well-known professor in Latur city as a mathematics expertise. So she will elaborate the thoughts regarding Cosmos English Institute, also regarding the thoughts regarding simple present tense. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Well guys, this is your senior educator and director and founder of Cosmos English Academy. In this session, we are just going the practice of simple present tense, where to use and how to use that simple present tense. Zindagi ke saath bhi aur zindagi ke baad bhi. Don't forget the rules of simple present tense. Whenever you are going to use the simple present tense, that time you should have to focus on one thing. You have to use V1. If there is a third person singular, that time you have to use yes, es, is with V1. Yeah. Then in Marathi, the end part of the sentence like that, to, ti, te, tostas. Like that, I khato, म्हणजे मी खातो, मी खेळतो, मी बसतो, मी उठतो. Like that, मी खातो, I eat. If we are telling third person singular name like that, विराट खातो, विराट खेळतो, विराट after that अनुष्काच्या शिव्या खातो, हे सेंटेन्स करेक्ट आहे. तर तेव्हा बोलताना आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी डज डूचा यूज करावा लागेल. जेव्हा थर्ड पर्सन सिंग्युलर नेम येतं तेव्हा आपल्याला डजचा वापर करावा लागेल. So this batch deal with this batch commenced from 21st June, and we have completed the era of to be and to have. Now we are just grown up towards the tenses. Tenses is nothing but guys, tenses in a simple way. Tense is the proper use of helping verb and main verb in the sentence is known as tense. So we have started the first tense. I have elaborated all the ideas regarding first tense, and the tense is simple present tense. Simple present tense, the use of simple present tense, where to use and how to use. Each and every rules and regulation regarding simple present tense I have taught him, and we are just doing the practice. One sentence in 6 types. One sentence in 6 types. First type is assertive, second is interrogative, then negative, then interrogative negative, WH interrogative and WH interrogative negative. With the help of that method, I provided them, all their students, all the formulas, and with the positive manner. There is a will, there is a way. Just you have to just little bit desire in yourself. That time you should focus on your English language. If you want to improve your broken to spoken English, that time you should have to focus on PBL method. PBL method is nothing but practice based learning with the help of worldwide technique LSRW. LSRW works like listening, speaking, writing, and reading. These are the essential parts of English language. So guys, those who want to improve English language, join us and improve your tone. Sure, let's start.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving the information regarding me. Then also I want to give my introduction to you. I am Rachna Bhagwat. I am completing MSc Math, B.Ed and BHR from the 12th year. I am teaching the mathematics in the VDF School of Engineering, and I am pursuing my English class from the Ajay sir. She sings a song. It is a simple present tense. So I make this sentence in the 5 forms. So which of these 5 forms are means assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative negative sentence, then WH interrogative sentence, then WH interrogative negative sentence. So see, she sings a song. So we make the simple present tense in these 5 forms. She sings a song. Do she sings a song? We use the does with the he, she, it. So she sings a song. Does she sings a song?
Whenever you have to use does, that time just use V1. With the helping of does, you have to put as a V1, not es. Yes, IES as a affix, okay?
See, when we use the does, we do not use the yes in front of V1. See, she sings a song. Does she sing a song? She does not sing a song. Does she not sing a song? Who sing a song and who does not sing a song? So this is an example regarding the simple present tense. See, in 2 days before I learned this tense from Ajay sir. In school, my teacher also taught me, but not like this. Just I saw the classes of English teaching regard to my son, best English classes. Then I make a call to I search on Google. Then on Google I saw the name of Cosmos English Academy. Joined my son to best English teaching classes. So I search on Google best English classes. Then the names come at that time. Cosmos English Academy. At that time I make a call to sir. At that time sir was busy in somebody's wedding. After that he make a call to me and said come there and join the and let us see. First of all he told me that our fees is this much. So I think that this is so much for 3 months. It is too much fees. I think that it is the best classes for my son. Then after discussion of fees, then I agreed to pay the 7,500 to him to English classes. So I make a call to him and ask that can I join instead of him in your classes. Then he just said me that comes ma'am. Then I came here and 2 and 3 days I joined there, joined his classes and taught from him. I think that yes, I can also learn from him. My one habit is that if the in front person is good and have the more knowledge about more knowledge than me, then I agree only. Then I think that he can give me the better knowledge to me regarding the English. So that's why I also join here the Cosmos English Academy. Then I think that with me and my son do his classes of English Academy, and when I done his classes from the last 1 month, and I realized that really my decision is good, and not only teaches regarding the English, but he taught us, he motivate us for so many small children are coming here, and so many students are coming here of all ages. He motivate to all of him. Nice, you can do it, and he give us some spark in his student. And I think yes, I was right. I had take a right decision regarding the join the English Academy. So I also motivated from him. So he motivated me to do the PhD. So that's why I think that yes, I can do. I have a spark family because of family. I am a mother, so there is a lot of responsibility on me. So I think that I want to train my sons only and doing the responsibilities of home. But no, I can do with all these responsibility, and I can. I must do and I can do. And you think it is the effect of these classes. And yes, thank you so much, sir, for giving us such valuable things, knowledge, and for your motivations. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.